Hello there, welcome back to AI Cave. My name is AI Elias, and today I'm bringing you my PC update video for July 2018. So as you'll see in the background, I'll have some sped up footage rolling. This video is just here for entertainment. I'm not showing you how to build a computer or anything like that. There are plenty of other YouTube channels online that you can watch if you're interested in this sort of thing. But real quick, let me just go over my specs. The new hardware includes an Intel i7 8700K, which I managed to overclock to 5 GHz with a Kraken X72 radiator all-in-one cooler, an Asus ROG Maximus 10 Hero Z370 motherboard, which made overclocking a real breeze, by the way, Corsair Vengeance RGB RAM at 3000 MHz, and lastly a pair of Noctua NF-A14 PWM black fans. These are 140mm and are rated for less than 25 decibels. All of these are housed within the Fractal Design Meshify C, which is a sleek and stylish case with a tempered glass side panel. Anyway, without further ado, I bring you the Maven build. Roll the montage. So that's the update. I hope you guys enjoyed the glam footage. I hope you enjoy the rest of the video, and if you make it to the end, hey, why not drop a like? And if you haven't, subscribe. Do that, all that fun stuff. We got more videos coming, kind of slowly, but they'll be here eventually. Anyway guys, I'm AI Elias. Thank you all for watching, and have a nice day.